Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves woodworking or is just getting started, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of electric wood planers, a must-have tool for anyone looking to achieve smooth, professional finishes on their wood projects. But here's the thing, with so many options out there, how do you know which one is the best electric wood planer for your needs? Well, that's exactly what I'm here to help you with. In this video, I'll be reviewing 5 of the top electric wood planers on the market, including the Bosch 3 1/4 inch hand planer, Dewalt hand planer, Wen electric hand planer, Makita 18V LXT cordless hand planer, and the Craftsman hand planer. I'll break down their features, performance, and value for money, so you can make an informed decision. But before we get started, make sure to check the description box for links to all the products I'll be reviewing. I've also included some exclusive deals and discounts, so you can grab these tools at the best price possible. And don't forget to drop a comment below letting me know which planer you're most excited about, or if you have any questions, I'll be responding to the first comments. Alright, let's jump right into it. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker, this video will help you find the best electric wood planer to take your projects to the next level. Let's get started. Bosch 3 1/4 inch hand planer with carrying case. If you're looking for precision and durability, the Bosch 3 1/4 inch hand planer is a top contender. This planer is designed for both beginners and professionals, offering a powerful 6.5 amp motor that delivers up to 16,500 revolutions per minute for smooth, consistent cuts. One of the standout features is its dual post depth guide, which ensures accurate depth adjustments, making it perfect for detailed woodworking projects. The dust extraction system is another win. It keeps your workspace clean by capturing up to 90% of the debris. Plus, the included carrying case makes it easy to store and transport. Whether you're working on doors, cabinets, or furniture, the Bosch planer is a reliable choice. Check the description box for the link to this product, and don't forget to let me know in the comments if you've tried this one before. Dewalt hand planer. Next up is the Dewalt hand planer, a favorite among professionals for its rugged build and high performance. With a 7.5 amp motor, this planer can handle even the toughest hardwoods, delivering up to 17,000 revolutions per minute. The hardened steel blades stay sharp longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements. What I love about this planer is its ergonomic designates, lightweight and easy to maneuver, even during long projects. The dust port is compatible with most vacuum systems, keeping your workspace clean and efficient. If you're looking for a planer that combines power and comfort, the Dewalt is a solid pick. Check the link in the description box to grab this planer at the best price. Wen electric hand planer. For those on a budget, the Wen electric hand planer offers incredible value without compromising on performance. This planer features a 6 amp motor that delivers up to 34,000 cuts per minute, making it ideal for quick and efficient planing. The aluminum construction ensures durability, while the dual-edge blades provide a smooth finish. It also includes a dust bag for easy cleanup. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, the Wen planer is perfect for DIYers and hobbyists. Check the description box for the link and let me know in the comments if you've used this one. Makita 18V LXT Lithium-ion Brushless Cordless Hand Planer. If you prefer cordless tools, the Makita 18V LXT Cordless Hand Planer is a game-changer. Powered by Makita's brushless motor technology, this planer offers up to 14,000 revolutions per minute with no loss of power, even under heavy loads. The tool-less blade adjustment makes it easy to switch out blades, and the rubberized handle ensures a comfortable grip. Plus, being cordless means you can take it without worrying about power outlets. This planer is perfect for professionals who need portability and performance. Check the link in the description box to grab this cordless wonder. Craftsman hand planer. Last but not least, the Craftsman hand planer is a reliable and affordable option for everyday woodworking. With a 6 amp motor and 16,000 revolutions per minute, it's powerful enough for most projects. The dual-edge blades are easy to replace, and the dust port keeps your workspace clean. What sets this planer apart is its compact design, making it easy to handle and store. Whether you're trimming doors or smoothing out rough edges, the Craftsman planer gets the job done. Check the description box for the link, and let me know in the comments if this is your go-to planer. And that's a wrap on today's review of the best electric wood planers. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, I hope this video helped you find the perfect planer for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box for links to all the products I reviewed, along with exclusive deals and discounts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews and woodworking tips. And don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear which planer you're planning to get, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy woodworking.